Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have demonstrated how you can use the facts, which is the system defined, and if needed, you can have your own facts and install those facts to the remote server and use in your playbook execution. In this video, I'm going to use the inclusion, means how you can include the another file, like the file which you have created for your variables, the file which you have created for your tasks, because I don't want to write everything inside my single playbook. So that's called the inclusions. So how you will include your files. So when working with the complex or long playbooks, administrator can use the separate files to divide the tasks and list of the variables into the smaller pieces for the easier management. So there are multiple ways to include the tasks, file and variable in a playbook. First, like here, while using the task, you can use the include keyword and you can put uh, your file path here. And the same case, you can also include your wheres. You have seen this example before as well, where we have included a one variable file by using the wheres underscore file, right? This is the another way which you can use to include. Just as a task can be included in a playbook, variables can also externally define and include in a playbook. So there are many ways in which this can be done. Some of the ways to set the variables include like inside your inventory file, then call your host vars and group vars. You have seen these demonstrations. You can call these facts and register variables. You have seen this one as well. Playbook variables defined in the playbook file with vars or in an external file through vars files. You have seen this demonstration as well. Now considering the below screenshot that demonstrate how to define variables and include them into playbook. So for example, you are writing a playbook where you want to install the multiple packages. What you can do, you can use this type of variable file where you can define the packages, and you can call this particular variable file inside your main playbook, not by using the vars underscore files inside your task. Like this is the variable file. Okay, so this is the way you can also include your variables as well as your task file. So let's see how you will do that. So for example, here I'm just going back one directory. I'm just creating another one like manage inclusion, or I can put here like demo dash manage inclusion. Then I need to copy my Ansible as well as the inventory file into this location and go to this. Okay, now let's see how you will do that. So for example, I'm creating a variable file first, and then I will add that variable file into my this particular playbook. So let me create a folder is called vars. So here you can have the vars. So mkdir, sorry, vars. Here I can write my variables, this, right? Or I can also use my some of the variables like the host var and group vars, or some other one. So I'm not going to use those things. You are enough capable to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the vars, and inside the vars let me create a file is called main underscore vars dot YAML, and here I have defined packages. I can do like this, web underscore pkg will be httpd, ftp underscore pkg will be vsftpd. Then I can also use here like db underscore pkg is Let me check it what the package name is. I'm not sure about it. Yum list MariaDB, I think hyphen server. This is the name of the package. Yes, so I can call this one, right? So 3 packages. Then services, I have used here service, so I can put here web underscore svc. It will be httpd. Then ftp, ftp svc, it will be vsftpd. And then db underscore svc, it will be MariaDB. I believe this is the service name. Okay, so this is the particular file I have created here in this particular location. Okay, now let's save it. I would like to call these into my main playbook. So let me create here touch main playbook dot YAML or YML, it depends. And inside it, let me define dash 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 using inclusion, and then it will be on hosts will be intranet underscore web server, and here I can put here tasks name first, including. Okay, so I'm using the task is called including variables from file. And here what I can do, I can use here include underscore vars, and I can put here the path. So what the path is, let me go back, cd demo manage inclusion. This is the path, so this vars, and this is the file name. So this file name I need to mention here. This is the file. Okay, then I need to use name including task from file, and here I need to use include underscore, I think is the tasks. Need to check it. It just a include or include a task. I need to verify that one here. Include underscore tasks in Ansible. So because as of now I am using the latest one, so I just need to check. This is Ansible 2.9. yeah, which one is import underscore tasks? Which one is this? 2.9. yes, so let me check it. Yeah, you can use the include underscore task is still on 2.9, but if you have seen here as well, there is a 2.4, this one 2.4 and 2.9, so there are some differences. Tasks, and that file name will be something like here. I need to create it mkdir tasks, and inside the tasks I can create a file. touch, suppose my main underscore task.yaml. So this is the file which I would like to use, right? Okay, let me save in this. So still I have not created the task file, so I need to go in the task and main.task, and here I just need to define what I want to do. I want to install httpd package. So I need to call here yum. Name will be what the name I have defined in my variable file. Get where's this, so packages, so I need to use here packages dot this, and state is present. I need to put here, right? Okay, now another task will be install vsft pd package, then yum name will be, so here the package is not this, packages dot ftp package, and state is present. So let me copy these 4 lines again. So 4yy and install db package, and here I need to put here db. I also need to start this service, so another task will be start and enable http service, then service will be name, and here services dot web underscore svc, state will be started, enabled is true. Let me call these 5 here, here. So this is for vsftpd, here the ftp service, and this is for db, and this is the db, and that's, so this is my task file I have created. So you can see I have distributed my variable file. I have also created the another file for my task, but in my main playbook you can see it's just a very simple. So I'm saying this is the play name, this is the host where this particular playbook is going to be executed. I'm including the variables first and then including the task file. Remember that you have to always include your variables first before running the task, because tasks, you're consuming those variables inside the task, so the variable file should come first. So let me check it, Ansible -playbook, and run it this directly. Let's see what is saying. Okay, it's saying okay, including this, including tasks, and installing the httpd, then installing the vsftpd, then installing the db package, right? So your main playbook is look like a very simple now, because there are only like few lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines, right? And you have created the different file for your variables and different file for your tasks. So this is the way you can use the inclusions, like you can include your separate file into your main playbook. As I mentioned to you, okay, what is saying, Start and enable the VSFTPD service. Okay, VSFTPD service. Let me check what the name I have used here. VSFTPD. Come on. There is a error here. I have not put that one correctly. FTP underscore SVC. Okay, now let's run it again. Start and enable the DB service. Yes, perfectly. So if you see here, your main playbook is look like very simple. You have created the where file separately and you have created your task file separately, and you are including those variables and task file into the main playbook. So this is the way which you can use the inclusions into your main playbook. I hope it clear your doubts and it will be very beneficial to you. If you have any question, please comment on this video. I will see you in the next session. Thank you.